Have you ever felt limited by the restrictions of a margin account on Robinhood? Ever wished you could trade without the risk of losing more than you invested? Well, today, we're going to dive into the world of Robinhood cash accounts and show you exactly how to make the switch. Imagine a financial playground where you can buy and sell stocks, options, and ETFs without the fear of margin calls. A place where your investments are protected and your trading experience is simplified. That's the beauty of a Robinhood cash account. Step 1. Understanding the basics. What is a cash account? A cash account is a type of brokerage account where you can only trade with your own money. There's no borrowing involved, which means no margin calls, no interest payments, and no risk of losing more than you've invested. Why switch to a cash account? There are several reasons why you might want to switch to a cash account. It's a safer option for beginners, it simplifies your trading strategy, and it can help you avoid costly mistakes. Step 2. Checking your eligibility. Robinhood requirements. Before you can switch to a cash account, you need to meet certain criteria. This usually involves having a positive account balance and no outstanding margin calls. Verifying your identity. Robinhood may require you to verify your identity again to ensure you meet the necessary regulations. Step 3. Navigating the Robinhood app. Finding the settings. To switch to a cash account, you'll need to access the settings menu within the Robinhood app. Locating the account type option, look for a section that allows you to change your account type. Selecting cash account, choose the cash account option and follow the on-screen instructions. Step 4. Confirming your decision. Reviewing the terms. Robinhood will likely present you with a summary of the terms and conditions associated with a cash account. Agreeing to the changes. Confirm your decision by agreeing to the terms and clicking the appropriate button. Step 5. Verifying your changes. Checking your account. Once you've submitted your request, Robinhood should update your account type. Reviewing your account settings. Double-check your account settings to ensure that the cash account option is selected. Tips and considerations. Understanding the limitations. While cash accounts offer several benefits, they also have limitations. You won't be able to leverage your investments, and you may miss out on certain trading opportunities. Considering your trading style. Before making the switch, assess your trading style and determine if a cash account aligns with your goals. Consulting with a financial advisor. If you're unsure about whether a cash account is right for you, consider consulting with a financial advisor. Switching to a Robinhood cash account can be a simple and straightforward process. By understanding the basics, checking your eligibility, and following the steps outlined in this video, you can easily make the switch and enjoy the benefits of a safer and more simplified trading experience. Ready to take control of your investments? Switch to a Robinhood cash account today. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.